you can see on the screen, our VVIPs are taking pictures just outside the hall, and he'll be entering in just a few more minutes. Anytime soon, ladies and gentlemen. For now, we kindly request for you to take your seats as Yang Amat Berhormat is making his way into this hall. Ladies and gentlemen, kindly rise to welcome the arrival of Yang Amat Berhormat Dato' On Hafiz bin Ghazi, Chief Minister of Johor.
Mengangkat nama bangsa dan negara, ayo bersama bina masa depan. Johor maju, Johor gemilang. Satu hati, satu hati, satu suara. Usahawan Johor marah ke hadapan. Dengan tekad, dengan cita, Johor Business Summit jadi kebanggaan. Produk
Yang Amat
Johor.
Berhormat, ladies and gentlemen, please remain standing for the Johor State Anthem and our national anthem, Negaraku. Ladies and gentlemen, please be seated. Yang amat berhormat Dato' On Hafiz bin Ghazi, Chief Minister of Johor. Yang berhormat Dato' Haji Asman Shah bin Abdul Rahman, State Secretary of Johor. Yang berhormat Tuan Muhammad Hairi bin Mat Shah, Johor State Youth, Sports, Entrepreneur Development and Cooperative Committee Chairman. Yang berbahagia Tuan Haji Muhammad Radif bin Haji Kosnin, Chief Executive Officer Perbadanan Usahawan Johor Sdn Bhd PUJB. Yang berbahagia Prof. Sadia Kibria, Global CEO of Kotler Impact, Heads of State and Federal Departments and Agencies, members of the Johor State Legislative Assembly, our respected friends from the media, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen. We would now like to invite Ustaz Muhammad Nur Zuhdi bin Muhammad Daud, Pegawai Pentafsir Al-Quran Jabatan Agama Islam Negeri Johor, to lead us in a doa recital. Please welcome him on stage.
بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم الحمد لله رب العالمين والصلاة والسلام على سيدنا محمد صلى الله عليه وسلم أشرف الأنبياء والمرسلين وعلى آله وصحبه أجمعين اللهم إنا نسألك بأسمائك الحسنى وصفاتك العظمى وكلمتك التامة ورحمتك العامة أن تجعل هذا المجلس موفقا بالخيرات والبركات مليئا بالحسنات والطيبات مكتوبا بالعصمة والسلامة مزينا بالنجاح والفلاح موصولا إلى العواقب الحسنة برحمتك يا أرحم الراحمين اللهم يا الله يا رحمن ويا رحيم. With the nobility of your names, with the greatness of your attributes, with the perfection of your word and commands, with the abundance and vastness of your mercy and blessings, and with your grace and compassion upon your servant Meg, we beseech you, the Johor Business Summit and Expo 2025, which shall be officiated by Yang Amat Berhormat Dato' On Hafiz bin Ghazi, Chief Minister of Johor, and gathering that is blessed, dignified, and one that achieves its aims and objective. Allahumma lakal hamdu ala ma an'amta, wa lakal shukru ala ma waffaqta, wa nas'aluka an tutimma alayna ni'matak, wa taftaha lana abwaba fadlik wa rahmatik. Allahumma ya fatihal abwab, ويا ميسر الأمور ويا من بيده مقاليد السماوات والأرض. O Allah, bless the Johor Business Summit and Expo 2025 and make it a bridge for collaboration and source of innovation and a platform that inspires business and community to grow hand in hand, truly built for business ready for tomorrow. May Johor continue to flourish as a beacon of progress, peace, and sustainable growth. Allahumma ya dhal judi wal rahmah. Bestow, we beseech, your abiding care and protection, your safeguarding and preservation, and the blessings of enduring well-being and health upon His Majesty Sri Paduka Baginda Yang di-Pertuan Agong Sultan Ibrahim, His Majesty Sri Paduka Baginda Raja Permaisuri Agong Raja Zarif Sofiah, His Royal Highness Tunku Mahkota Ismail, Regent of Johor, Her Highness Cik Puan Mahkota Khalidah Johor, His Royal Highness Tunku Iskandar, Raja Muda of Johor, upon the royal household and upon all the subject at large. Allahumma ja'al jam'ana hadha jam'an marhuma wa tafarruqana min ba'dihi tafarruqan ma'suma wa la taj'al Allahumma fina wa la ma'ana ولا من يسمعنا شقيا ولا مطرودا ولا محروما. اللهم أعنا على ذكرك وشكرك وحسن عبادتك. Allahumma asrif anna wa an Yang di-Pertuan Agong, wa an Raja Permaisuri Agong, wa an Pemangku Sultan Johor, wa Cik Puan Mahkota Johor, wa anil muslimin wal muslimat wal hadirin wal hadirat al balaa wal waba wal zalazil al amrad wal asqam al fitan wal mihan al hasad wal udwan al ghaflata wal nisyan wa azil anna wa anhum al shukuk wal dhunun wal awham بمنك وكرمك يا ذا الجلال والإكرام. ربنا آتنا في الدنيا حسنة وفي الآخرة حسنة وقنا عذاب النار. وصلى الله على سيدنا محمد وعلى آله وصحبه وسلم والحمد لله رب العالمين.
Thank you very much, Ustaz Muhammad Nur Zuhdi bin Muhammad Daud, Pegawai Pentafsir Al-Quran Jabatan Agama Islam Negeri Johor. Ladies and gentlemen, a very good morning and a warm welcome to the launch of the Johor Business Summit and Expo 2025. And today we gathered together to celebrate Johor's entrepreneurial spirit, innovation, and global vision for business excellence. It is indeed an honor to have you with us at this prestigious event. I am Amy Nurtini, your master of ceremony for today's occasion, and it is my immense pleasure to guide you through this meaningful day as we witness the launch of an initiative that reinforces Johor's position as the gateway for regional trade, innovation, and investment. For your information, Johor Business Summit and Expo 2025 is part of Johor's ongoing commitment to nurturing a strong and sustainable entrepreneurial ecosystem, and this summit and expo represent not just an event, but a strategic movement to empower business growth, foster innovative ideas, and elevate our economic landscape. Johor continues to reinforce its position as a gateway for regional trade and investment, especially with our close economic connection to Singapore and rapidly growing global networks. Therefore, ladies and gentlemen, please direct your attention to the screen for the JBSE 2025 montage presentation. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Johor Business Summit and Expo 2025. Ladies and gentlemen, it definitely gives me a great pleasure to invite Yang Berhormat Tuan Muhammad Hairi bin Mat Shah, Johor State Youth Sports Entrepreneur Development and Cooperative Committee Chairman, to deliver his opening remarks. Please welcome him on stage, ladies and gentlemen.
Saudara-saudari berkecara majlis. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Alhamdulillahirabbil alamin. Wassalatu wassalamu ala asyrafil anbiya'i wal mursalin wa ala alihi wa sahbihi ajma'in. Yang saya hormati, lagi kita semua sayangi, Yang amat berhormat Datuk On Hafiz bin Ghazi, Chief Minister of Johor. Yang berhormat Datuk Haji Asman bin Abdul Rahman, State Secretary of Johor. Yang berbahagia Tuan Haji Muhammad Reda bin Tuan Haji Muhammad Radif bin Haji Kosnin, Chief Executive Perbadanan Usahawan Johor Sdn Bhd, yang berbahagia Mrs. Sadia Kibria, President and Global Chief Executive Officer, Kotler Impact Incorporate, ketua-ketua jabatan, members, ahli-ahli Majlis Mesyuarat Kerajaan Negeri, tuan-tuan dan puan-puan yang saya muliakan. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning and salam maju Johor. Welcome to the Johor Business Summit and Expo 2025. First, my sincere appreciation to the Chief Minister of Johor for his strong support and leadership that made Johor Business Summit and Expo 2025 possible. To all Johor entrepreneurs, from Pontian to Mersing, Batu Pahat to Johor Bahru, thank you. You are the true backbone of our state economy. And to our international delegates from Singapore, China, Indonesia, Cambodia, Saudi Arabia, Portugal, Italy, and Canada, welcome to Johor Darul Ta'azim. Before I begin, allow me to inform everyone that I will be delivering my speech in two languages, Malay, Bahasa, and juga English, to ensure that the message can be clear, understood by all guests today, insyaAllah. The Johor Business Summit and Expo 2025 is more than that, just an event. It marks a definition of milestone as the first ever business summit organized by the Johor State Government, the largest business expo since the Johor International Islamic and Halal Festival, FIJO, in 2022. It is the movement bringing together over 5,000 to 10,000 participants over 2 days of the event, from small entrepreneur and startup to global investor. Our goal is to strengthen Johor business ecosystem and prepare local businesses to compete and collaborate on global scale. Johor future must be powered by Johor-born entrepreneur, innovative and confident to lead beyond and our borders. Through the Johor Business Summit and Expos, we align efforts between government and industry, ensure every form of support, training and financing work toward one shared purpose is growth. Sidang hadirin dan rakan-rakan usahawan yang saya kasihi. Sebelum Johor Business Summit and Expo 2025 menjadi kenyataan pada hari ini, perjalanan ini telah bermula sejak tahun 2022 apabila Yang Amat Berhormat Menteri Besar telah memberikan amanah kepada saya sebagai pengerusi jawatan kuasa pembangunan usahawan dan koperasi negeri Johor. Dalam tempoh 3 tahun ini, banyak peruntukan dan pelbagai usaha serta inisiatif telah dirancang dan digerakkan bersama Perbadanan Usahawan Johor dan juga Majlis Pembangunan Usahawan Negeri Johor, sebagaimana yang tertera di slide di hadapan tuan-tuan dan puan-puan. Bermula tahun 2022, kita bantu usahawan di peringkat akar umbi lagi. Daripada bantuan peralatan, perniagaan, menerusi geran-geran berbentuk barangan, latihan dan kursus-kursus keusahawanan sehinggalah akses kepada pembiayaan. Kemudian pada tahun 2023, kita lancarkan program pembiayaan kerjasama dengan Bank Rakyat iaitu BR Johor Niaga pada 22 Mac 2023 dan juga mewujudkan Pelan Pemekasaan Usahawan Negeri Johor 2022 hingga 2026 yang dilancarkan pada 13 Mei 2023. Kemudian juga pada tahun lalu, untuk makluman datuk-datuk, tuan-tuan dan puan-puan sidang hadirin, selain kita meneruskan inisiatif pemberian grant kepada usahawan-usahawan, bantuan-bantuan pembiayaan, satu inisiatif idea yang luar jangkaan daripada Yang Amat Berhormat Menteri Besar Johor sendiri yang memperkenalkan penyerahan bantuan khemah usahawan mikro yang memanfaatkan seramai 10,000 usahawan sepanjang tahun lalu dan juga tahun ini. Terima kasih dan satu tepukan gemuruh kepada Yang Amat Berhormat. Usaha-usaha yang saya nyatakan tadi memberi sedikit sebanyak impak kepada lebih 70,000 usahawan di seluruh negeri Johor pada tahun ini sahaja dan lebih 50,000 usahawan pada tahun lalu. Sekaligus ia juga mengukuhkan kedudukan Johor sebagai hub keusahawanan serantau yang sedang pesat berkembang. Fellow Johorian and business leaders, the Chief Minister's vision for Johor is ambitious, and to achieve it, we need a clear and long-term plan. Allow me to share our plan in 3 key phases. Phase 1, 2026 to 2030, Johor Business Champion 2030. We will identify at least 10 high potential companies in each district, giving them focus, support to reach their best potential. Phase 2, 2030 to 2035, empowering Perbadanan Usahawan Johor. We aim to transform Perbadanan Usahawan Johor into a state venture capital company as a bold in investing, taking calculated risks, and helping Johor businesses expand globally. And phase 3, 2025 to 2040, Johor Small and Medium Enterprise SME go global. We target at least 5 Johor companies to list on international stock exchange to go for public listing. This is a realistic goal, quality over quantity. As the saying goes, Rome was not built a day. IKEA took 20 years to go global, and Alibaba took 15 years before becoming a public listed company. We want Johor to create its own global success story too. Johor Business Summit Expo 2025 mark a new chapter for Johor economy. Our team built for business, ready for tomorrow, reflect for Johor. InsyaAllah, tuan-tuan dan puan-puan, sebelum saya mengakhiri ucapan pada pagi ini, suka saya ingin menyatakan Johor Business Summit Expo pada hari ini tidak akan berjaya tanpa sokongan, dokongan dan bimbingan daripada Yang Amat Berhormat Menteri Besar Johor kita. Dan juga saya ucapkan terima kasih kepada semua rakan-rakan pendukung-pendukung usahawan-usahawan dan juga rakan-rakan kerjasama, penaja-penaja, rakan-rakan strategik dari segi Perbadanan Nasional Berhad, Bank Muamalat dan juga Iskandar Investment IIB, Udah Holding Berhad, Lembaga Perindustrian Nenas, Balki, Suruhanjaya Koperasi, Afim Bank, Faiza and juga Bank Rakyat. And official bank partner is Maybank, official beverage partner Plato Coffee dan banyak lagi. And official e-commerce partner TikTok Shop. Thank you TikTok. Dan semua rakan-rakan strategik yang bersama-sama untuk menjayakan program kita pada 2 hari ini. Kepada usahawan-usahawan yang berada di hadapan saya ini lebih daripada 2,700 orang, saya mengharapkan ambillah kesempatan 2 hari ini untuk menimba pengalaman, pengetahuan dengan orang-orang yang berpengalaman. Kita bawa nama Johor insya-Allah satu hari ke pihak ke dunia insya-Allah. Tuan-tuan dan puan-puan, itu saja ucapan saya pada hari ini. Sekian, wabillahi taufiq wal hidayah. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Thank you very much Yang Berhormat Tuan Muhammad Khairi for the opening remarks. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, please keep your eyes on the screen as we have prepared a video of Johor, Singapore Special Economic Zone. Ladies and gentlemen, without further ado, it is now our distinct honor to invite Yang Amat Berhormat Dato' On Hafiz bin Ghazi, Chief Minister of Johor, to deliver his speech. Please welcome him on stage and give a big round of applause.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Salam sejahtera, salam maju Johor. Terima kasih saudari pengurusi majlis. Yang saya hormati, Yang Berhormat Datuk Haji Ashman Shah, State Secretary of Johor. Yang Berhormat YB Khairi bin Mat Shah, Johor State Youth Entrepreneur and Cooperative Committee Chairman. Yang berbahagia Tuan Muhammad Razif selaku CEO PUJB yang baru seminggu. Kita bagi tepukan yang gemuruh. Tanya Cik Razif. Mrs. Sadia Kibria, President and Global Chief Executive Officer of Kotla Impact Incorporated, welcome to Johor Darul Takzim. In fact, I would like to welcome all foreign delegations or foreign delegates that are here with us today. A very warm welcome. Let's give them all a big round of applause. Tidak dilupakan juga Bapak Konjen, Bapak Sigit from Indonesia WAZI, and Mr. Kai, Konjen of Singapore. Thank you, Mr. Kai. Head of state and federal departments and agencies, members of the State Legislative Assembly, respected friends from the media, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen. First and foremost, it is with gratitude to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. It is an honor for me to be here today at the Johor Business Summit and Expo 2025. A platform that unites entrepreneurs, innovators, and investors from Johor, Malaysia, Singapore, and across ASEAN. I would like to take this opportunity to thank PUJB for organizing this prestigious event, and I would like to congratulate PUJB and YB Hairi on a job well done. Tahniah dan syabas saya ucapkan. Ladies and gentlemen, today is a very important day. Because today, as the Chief Minister, I get to meet thousands of entrepreneurs, usahawan-usahawan daripada negeri Johor. Dan seperti apa yang YB Hairi sebut tadi, as mentioned by YB Hairi, this is the first ever Business Summit and Expo organized by the state of Johor at this kind of scale. And it is very timely because it gives me the opportunity to share with all of you here today where Johor is headed in the next few years. As we saw and witnessed just now during the video presentation, it was about the Johor Singapore Special Economic Zone, the JSSEZ. And for all of you, or for some of you who do not know what the Johor Singapore Special Economic Zone, let me share some light today. The Memorandum of Understanding between the Malaysian government and the Singapore government in regards to the JSSEZ was signed early last year. And in January 2025 this year, we signed the JSSEZ agreement, witnessed by the Prime Minister of Malaysia and Singapore. And just to share with all of you as well, when we first signed the MOU between the Singapore and Malaysian government, Johor did not wait. We wanted to know, we wanted to study how other special economic zones in the world thrived, how other special financial zones also thrived. So one of the places that we went to was to Shenzhen. It started off from a fisherman's village about 40 years ago, 4 decades ago. And it transformed into one of the most thriving economies in the world. Its GDP is one of the best in the world. And when we went there, I was intrigued when I asked the leadership of Shenzhen, how did you transform Shenzhen from a fisherman's village into one of the most thriving economies? And they said to me, Terpan. Who knows what it means? Terpan. Can anyone raise your hand and volunteer to translate that for me? Any Mandarin speakers here? Siapa tahu? Terpan means in order to achieve extraordinary results, you must do things the extraordinary way. Kalau nak mendapat keputusan yang luar biasa, kita kena buat kerja cara yang luar biasa. That's what it means. And if Shenzhen can do it, with that spirit of Terpan, I also believe that Johor Darul Takzim can also do it with the support of everyone here today. Betul atau tidak? Now, and Alhamdulillah, with the collaboration between the Malaysian, Singapore, and also Johor government, we are starting to see positive results. Based on the statistics, our approved investments for the first half of 2025, we've reached 56 billion ringgit, the highest in the country at the moment. And we are on track, ladies and gentlemen, to achieve more than 100 billion ringgit in terms of approved investments by end of this year. We are on track to hitting the highest approved investments in the country. And to me, this is just the beginning. We only signed the agreement between the Singapore and Malaysian government earlier this year. But we're starting to see the results. It's starting to bear fruit. Not only that, in terms of GDP, we recorded a very strong growth, 6.4%. Again, the highest in the country. Now, the reason why I'm sharing with all of you is because we are at a very important juncture. Kita berada di persimpangan negeri yang paling penting dalam sejarah negeri Johor. Kalau bangsa Johor tidak menyahut, tidak bersama dalam pembangunan ekonomi negeri Johor, kita adalah bangsa yang paling rugi, tuan-tuan dan puan-puan. Sebab, as I said, there's so much investments coming into Johor. Ini baru permulaan. The RTS will be ready by end of next year. As it is, our borders, it is the busiest border in the world, accommodating about 350,000 daily. Once the RTS is ready, we are looking at accommodating 10,000 people per hour for the RTS. Can you imagine what's going to happen to Johor Bahru? Can you imagine what's going to happen at JSSEZ? We will be one of the most busiest cities in Peninsular Malaysia. Whether we like it or not, it is coming. Whether we like it or not, the economy is going to thrive. The question mark is, the big question is, are we going to take the opportunity to thrive along? Adakah bangsa Johor akan mengambil peluang yang bakal Johor nikmati sekarang dan masa terdekat ini? Mahu ataupun tidak mahu? Tak dengar? Mahu ataupun tidak mahu? Saya yakin kalau kita sama-sama mengembleng tenaga, semua bakal menerima manfaat. Saya nak berkongsi, baru-baru ini, pada bulan 9, kerajaan negeri telah mengumumkan peruntukan tambahan. Pada awal tahun 2025, hasil negeri unjurannya 2 bilion ringgit, tuan-tuan dan puan-puan. Tetapi berdasarkan maklumat dan juga laporan yang saya terima daripada Datuk SS dan rakan-rakan pegawai-pegawai kerajaan kewangan, unjuran terkini ialah Johor akan merekodkan hasil negeri sebanyak 2.5 bilion ringgit. Peningkatan sebanyak 500 juta tuan-tuan dan puan. Dan majoriti hasilnya, tambahan itu kita pulangkan kepada rakyat. Kita bantu fakir miskin. Kita bantu pelajar-pelajar. Kita bantu petani, nelayan. Malah ibu-ibu tunggal pun dapat bantuan. Cuma bila saya bantu ibu tunggal, bapa tunggal pula bising, tak dapat. Jadi bila ekonomi negeri Johor berkembang baik, menjadi hasrat dan tanggungjawab kerajaan ini untuk memulangkannya kepada rakyat kembali. Betul atau tidak? Termasuk bantuan kepada pelajar-pelajar. Dan seperti yang ditonjolkan dalam video tadi, antara usaha penting yang kita buat, antara inisiatif yang penting yang kita buat melalui Johor Singapore Special Economic Zone ini ialah penubuhan IMFC J, Invest Malaysia Facilitation Center Johor, di mana agensi-agensi daripada Kerajaan Persekutuan yang dipimpin oleh Datuk Nur Azam. Mana Datuk Nur Azam? Kita kenalkan Datuk Nur Azam ni orang penting. Lepas ni kalau usahawan nak tahu bantuan-bantuan yang ada, boleh serbu Datuk Nur Azam lepas ni. Lepas ni saya akan kongsi nombor handphone dia. Agencies from the state and also federal are working hand in hand to ensure ease of doing business. Because we know that time is money. And we know that the business community, we know that investors want to ensure that there is facilitation and ease of doing business. Something that we've been learning closely from our neighbors from Singapore. On top of that, we've also formed the JTDC, Johor Talent Development Council. Again, we are collaborating all the federal agencies, all the federal universities with the state agencies to ensure that there are enough talents for us to supply to the investors and companies that are coming into Johor. And we are doing all this to ensure that there is credibility for any businesses, for any entrepreneurs, and any investors coming into Johor. We have to give that assurance. And I want to share a story. When we formed this IMFC and also JTDC, we realized that the current structure is not enough. We have to also work with other reputable institutions to strengthen the institutions that we have in Johor. Recently, I was in UK, Singapore, and also the United States. In the UK, I met not just the potential investors, but I also met up with Oxford University. In America, I met up with Harvard, MIT, and also Stanford University. All these universities, ladies and gentlemen, have agreed in principle to work with the state of Johor Darul Takzim. And they are willing to work with us, for example, with UTHM. In fact, the Naib Chancellor, the NC of UTHM, is currently in the United States to meet MIT and also Harvard University to see how we can strengthen UTHM. In principle, Harvard is willing to send their visiting fellows to UTHM and work with our faculties in UTHM. So these are some of the interesting things that's happening at the moment. With the government of Singapore, we just met up with Republic Polytechnic, or was it Polytechnic Republic of Singapore, to see how we can collaborate in the areas of training of hospitality. Not only that, I was told by YB Hairi, recently we've got confirmation from Khabib that he will be coming to Johor in November to officiate the groundbreaking of the Khabib gym in Johor. So the reason why I'm sharing this, ladies and gentlemen, is to give all of you confidence that this change is real. And we have to be ready to grab the opportunity. Recently, I was in Singapore at the business forum where DPM Gan was there. Tengku Zafrul Miti represented Malaysia, and I obviously represented Johor Darul Takzim. And I shared with the delegates that came that for Johor, this is really something new. And it requires the state to be in a uncomfortable position. Why do I say this? Saya cakap bila saya pergi ke Singapura, saya terpaksa berdepan dengan delegasi daripada serata dunia yang ingin tahu tentang JSSEZ. Ada yang datang daripada Singapura, ada yang datang daripada Amerika, ada yang datang daripada Europe, China, South Korea dan sebagainya. Dan keadaan itu adalah satu keadaan yang kurang selesa untuk saya. Kerana yang duduk di hadapan saya adalah delegasi daripada serata dunia. Dan Johor tidak biasa dengan keadaan itu. That is the honest truth. Kalau kita ada foreign delegation, biasanya yang akan menguruskannya Bapak Konjen, Mr. Kai, is Wisma Putra. If there are any trade deals, yang akan menguruskannya ialah MITI. Betul atau tidak? But because of the JSSEZ, I am expected to speak at these international forums. It is really something new. It is a stretch for me. Because I am only used to the local crowd. I am only used to the local Bangsa Johor and also to the local leaders. So every time I have a foreign delegation in front of me, such as the distinguished guests that we have here today, I get a bit jittery. I get a bit nervous because we are not accustomed to this. But whether I like it or not, I have to get used to it. Which means I have to elevate myself. I need to equip myself with the necessary skills so that I can speak to the foreign delegation that I have to meet on a regular basis. Johor, secara keseluruhan, all Johorians will now have to face the challenges that I am facing if we choose to succeed through the Johor-Singapore Special Economic Zone. Betul atau tidak? Macam perlahan je betul tu. Sebab itu, bila YB Hairi berucap pada pagi ini, saya kagum. Dulu, bila dia berucap English, tuan-tuan dan puan-puan, kadang-kadang saya tutup mata. Tapi saya melihat transformasi, perubahan dan kesungguhan yang dibuat oleh YB Hairi pada hari ini. Saya kagum dan saya mengucapkan syabas kepada beliau. It's not easy, but we need to continue to challenge ourselves. We need to continue to elevate, upskill, reskill ourselves so that we can compete at the global front. Supaya kita boleh duduk dan berdiri sama tinggi, sama rendah dengan mana-mana negara maju dalam dunia, tuan-tuan dan puan-puan. Dan peluang-peluang melalui JSSEZ, sengaja saya minta tim saya untuk menayangkan video tadi kerana melalui JSSEZ ini akan ada banyak peluang perniagaan. Akan ada banyak peluang untuk usahawan-usahawan. Akan ada banyak peluang untuk orang muda Johor. Itu sebab saya minta supaya video itu ditayangkan. Kawasan JSSEZ ini covers 3,500 km squared. 4 kali besar daripada Singapura. It covers pelbagai sektor. Manufacturing, logistics, tourism, medical tourism, sports tourism, dan banyak lagi. Retail will flourish here in Johor. Ada banyak brand yang kita ada di negeri Johor. Plato tadi dekat luar, Woodfire, Lazy Monday dan sebagainya. Peringkat logistics, kita ada Tiong Nam dan sebagainya. Jadi banyak syarikat-syarikat, banyak usahawan-usahawan di negeri Johor boleh maju lagi ke hadapan. Kerana melalui JSSEZ ini akan ada banyak peluang perniagaan. Insentif-insentif yang kita berikan melalui MITI dan juga MAIDA. Terima kasih saya ucapkan kepada Kerajaan Persekutuan yang dipimpin oleh Yang Amat Berhormat Datuk Seri Anwar bin Ibrahim yang telah meluluskan pelbagai insentif. Dia bukan saja memanfaatkan pelabur-pelabur yang masuk ke negeri Johor, tetapi supply chain juga akan menerima manfaat. Dan menjadi satu requirement satu kemestian untuk syarikat-syarikat yang melabur di negeri Johor ini juga membantu peniaga-peniaga, SMEs dan usahawan-usahawan di negeri Johor. But you must equip yourselves. There's no such thing as a free lunch. Macam mana saya, YB Hairi, Datuk SS, kena meningkatkan daya kepimpinan kami, begitu juga usahawan-usahawan yang berkumpul pada hari ini. You must elevate yourselves. Boleh atau tidak? Sebab kita nak menawarkan usahawan, kita nak menawarkan kepada pelabur-pelabur, peniaga-peniaga, usahawan-usahawan yang berada di negeri Johor. Tetapi kita nak menawarkan usahawan-usahawan dan juga peniaga-peniaga yang mempunyai daya saing yang baik, yang mempunyai mutu perkhidmatan yang baik. Kita tak nak bagi ataupun menawarkan mereka yang below standard, substandard, atau yang biasa-biasa, ataupun yang bisya-bisya saja. Betul atau tidak? Kerana kalau kita bagi yang bisya-bisya sahaja, dia akan pakai kita sekali dan dia akan komplain kepada kerajaan negeri bahawa usahawan-usahawan kita tidak sampai pada tahap yang sepatutnya. Ini cabaran yang besar, tuan-tuan dan puan. I know it can be done because saya telah mencubanya. Alhamdulillah, saya nak maklumkan kepada semua yang hadir di sini, melalui IMFCJ, we facilitated many companies this past 1 year. And they see the commitment of this government. We've made it easy. We've cut the red tape. We've cut the bureaucracy. And we are against corruption. And that is a very clear message when we meet any investors. But after a year, kenapa ada abuk ni Ada orang isap rokok ke? MC, can you stop smoking please? Ke signal untuk saya berhenti?
Tak. Teruskan.
So, mana saya tadi? So, bila investors datang ke Johor, when they come into Johor, we've made it easy for them and we started to have a good relationship with them. And for most of the investors that want to expand their businesses in Johor, they've got to build new factories, they've got to build new plants. And I've asked and requested so that they use one of our state GLCs, a construction company called KPRJ. Mana wakil KPRJ ada tak hari ni? Oh, tak ada KPRJ. Ni kena penalize ni. And when I meet them to promote KPRJ, none of them said no. All of them are willing to work with KPRJ when it comes to their expansion plans. And that is what I intend to do with all the usahawans and entrepreneurs yang berada di dalam dewan ini. Saya nak promote our lawyers. Saya nak promote kita punya engineers, our architects. I want to promote our coffee shops. I want to promote our logistics companies. I want to promote all of you so that we can all thrive together. So, but as I said, we must all come up to mark. And I want to end my speech today with a quote by Martin Luther King, who emphasizes that we shouldn't just do a good job. We must do a great job. Don't set out to be just a good Johor doctor or a Johor lawyer, a Johor good school teacher, a good Johor barber, a good Johor beautician, skilled labor. For if you set out to do that, you have already flunked your matriculation exam for entrance into the University of Integration. Set out to do a good job and do that job so well that the living, the dead, and the unborn couldn't do it any better. If it falls your luck to be a street sweeper, sweep streets like Michelangelo painted pictures, sweep streets like Beethoven composed music, sweep streets like Shakespeare wrote poetry, sweep streets so well that all the hosts of heaven and earth will have to pause and say, "Here lived a great street sweeper who swept his job well." If you can't be a pine on the top of the hill, be a scrub in the valley. But be the best little scrub on the side of the hill. Be a bush if you can't be a tree. If you can't be a highway, just be a trail. If you can't be the sun, be a star. For it isn't by size that you win or you fail. Be the best of whatever you are. Terima kasih saya ucapkan kepada semua. Thank you everyone. Sekian wabillahi taufiq wal hidayah. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Maju Johor 3 kali boleh?
Boleh.
Maju!
Johor.
Maju!
Johor.
Maju!
Johor.
Sekian, terima kasih.
Thank you very much, Yang Amat Berhormat Datuk. Please kindly remain on stage for our next agenda. And thank you once again for that inspirational speech. Ladies and gentlemen, to accompany Yang Amat Berhormat Dato' An Hafiz bin Ghazi on stage, we would like to invite Yang Berhormat Datuk Haji Asman Shah bin Abdul Rahman, State Secretary of Johor, Yang Berhormat Tuan Muhammad Hairi bin Mat Shah, Johor State Youth Sports Entrepreneur Development and Cooperative Committee Chairman, Yang Berbahagia Tuan Haji Muhammad Radif bin Haji Kosnin, Chief Executive Officer Perbadanan Usahawan Johor Sdn Bhd, and Yang Berbahagia Mrs. Sadia Kibria, President and Global Chief Executive Officer of Kotler Impact Incorporated. Ladies and gentlemen, the moment that we have all been waiting for is finally here. Today, we witnessed just the opening of an event, but the opening at the beginning of a new opportunities, new collaborations, and new economic possibilities for Johor and beyond. Yang Amat Berhormat Dato' An Hafiz bin Ghazi will be officiating the launch of JBSE 2025, and Yang Berhormat Datuk will be placing the letter J, symbolizing Johor's leadership, unity and progress. Ladies and gentlemen, can we count together? In the count of 3, 2, 1. Ladies and gentlemen, Johor Business Summit and Expo 2025 is now officially launched. Yang Berhormat Dato' and all our VVIPs, please remain on stage for our next agenda. We will now proceed with the symbolic handover of the Johor Entrepreneur Assistance Checks 2025, representing the state government's commitment to nurturing inclusive economic growth and SME empowerment. Ladies and gentlemen, representing Tekun Johor, we would like to invite Yang Berbahagia, Dato' Adam bin Abdul Ghani, CEO of Tekun, on stage to present the mock-up check with the amount of 96,914,000 for 3,372 recipients to Yang Berhormat Tuan Muhammad Hairi bin Marsha, Johor State Youth, Sports, Entrepreneur Development and Cooperative Committee Chairman. Thank you very much, Tekun Johor. And next, we would like to invite, representing Pernas, let us invite Yang Berbahagia, Datuk Muhammad Roshan bin Muhammad Ghazali, Pengerusi Perbadanan Nasional Berhad. Also presenting the mock-up check with the amount of 2,700,000 for 10 recipients. Thank you very much, Pernas. And last but not least, representing Perbadanan Usahawan Johor, please welcome Yang Berbahagia, Tuan Haji Muhammad Radif bin Kosnin, CEO of PUJB. We're representing the mock-up check with the amount of 11,650,000 for 15,766 recipients. Thank you very much, Perbadanan Usahawan Johor. Please still remain on stage. Next, we will proceed with the exchange of memorandums of understanding between PUJB and its strategic partners. Therefore, we would like to invite Yang Berbahagia Tuan Haji Muhammad Radif bin Kosnin, CEO of PUJB, to exchange memorandum. Let's invite Yang Berbahagia Encik Aizuddin Danian Izham Cheong, Chief Personal Banking Officer of Aeon Bank. Please welcome him on stage. Introducing Aeon Bank as PUJB's main digital banking partner, enhancing access to financial tools and digital services. Again, witnessed by Chief Minister of Johor and our VVIPs. Thank you very much. Next, let's invite Yang Berbahagia Ang Xingxian, co-founder and CEO of Cap Bay. Please welcome on stage. a vendor financing initiative providing 100 million ringgit Malaysia to support SMEs and contractors in Johor. Thank you very much. Next, we would like to welcome Yang Berbahagia, Dr. Horace Serivat, Chairman of Innovation and Development Investor Association from Cambodia. Please welcome on stage. This is a bilateral collaboration promoting entrepreneurship and partnerships between Cambodian and Malaysian enterprises. For your information, ladies and gentlemen, this initiative strengthens Johor's reputation as a knowledge exchange platform and a gateway for international trade and investment. Thank you, Yang Berbahagia, Dr. Ho Serivat. And now we would like to invite all our VVIPs and our Chief Minister of Johor. Please kindly return to your seat. We will proceed with our next agenda. Thank you very much. Like Chief Minister of Johor said, we have to be a star. And he's definitely the star of today's prestigious event. And now, ladies and gentlemen, we will now proceed with our group photo session. We would like to invite all VVIPs, our Chief Minister of Johor and our distinguished guests to kindly stand up for a group photo. And all our photographers and videographers, you may now come forward on stage to capture this memorable moment. And kindly ensure everyone, your faces are visible in the cameras in front, all right? Ladies and gentlemen, please kindly stand up for group photo. Nanti ada yang tak nampak muka. So we're gonna start with photo first, okay? Show your brightest smile to the cameras. That beautiful teeth, beautiful smile, beautiful Johorian smile. Alright, and for the video session, I have a request. Boleh tak kita sebut? Can we say Maju Johor 3 times? Dalam kiraan saya, on my count, okay? 3, 2, 1. Maju Johor! Maju Johor! Maju! Definitely, Amin Ya Rabbal Alamin. Maju Johor forever and ever. Thank you very much once again to all our VVIPs and our Chief Minister of Johor. Ladies and gentlemen, as we come to the close of today's program, we would like to express our heartfelt appreciation to everyone present today. To our distinguished VVIPs, honored guests, international delegates, business leaders, exhibitors and partners, thank you so much for taking your time to be here and contributing to the success of the Johor Business Summit and Expo 2025. Today's gathering has showcased vision, collaboration, and shared ambition, a clear reflection of Johor growing influence on a strategic hub for business innovations. Ladies and gentlemen, once again, thank you for joining us for the launching of Johor Business Summit and Expo. We wish you continued success in all your endeavors and feel free to visit our exhibition booth downstairs, and our next session will continue after lunch break at 1:30 p.m. My name is Amy Nortini and has been an honor and pleasure to serve as your MC. And for our VVIPs and VIPs, lunch will be served at ground floor downstairs, just next to our exhibition booth. Ladies and gentlemen, announcing the departure of Yang Amat Berhormat Dato' On Hafiz bin Ghazi, Chief Minister Johor. Take care and see you again.
Masyhur di dunia, mengangkat nama bangsa dan negara. Ayo bersama bina masa depan. Johor maju, Johor gemilang. Satu hati, satu suara. bersama bina masa depan. Johor maju, Johor gemilang. Produk Johor termasyur di dunia, mengangkat nama bangsa dan negara. Ayo bersama bina masa depan. Johor maju, Johor gemilang. Satu hati, satu suara, usahawan Johor marah ke hadapan. Dengan tekad, dengan cita, Johor Business Summit jadi kebanggaan. Produk Johor termasyur di dunia, mengangkat nama bangsa dan negara. Ayo bersama bina masa depan. Johor maju, Johor gemilang. Produk Johor termasyur di dunia, mengangkat nama bangsa dan negara. Ayo bersama bina masa depan. Johor maju, Johor gemilang. Satu hati, satu suara, usahawan Johor marah ke hadapan. Dengan tekad, dengan cita, Johor Business Summit jadi kebanggaan. Produk Johor termasyur di dunia, mengangkat nama bangsa dan negara. Ayo bersama bina masa depan. Johor maju, Johor gemilang. Produk Johor termasyur di dunia, mengangkat nama bangsa dan negara. Ayo bersama bina masa depan. Johor maju, Johor gemilang. Satu hati, satu suara, usahawan Johor marah ke hadapan. Dengan tekad, dengan cita, Johor Business Summit jadi kebanggaan. Produk Johor termasyur di dunia, mengangkat nama bangsa dan negara. Ayo bersama bina Satu suara